Hello, and welcome to my video on the January 2019 Algebra 2 Regents, question number 8. On this question, we have an estimate of the number of milligrams of a medication in the bloodstream T hours after 400 milligrams has been taken can be modeled by the function below. And we see the given equation. The other thing to note here is the interval is from 0 to 6. Then we are asked, over what time interval does the amount of medication in the bloodstream strictly increase? So the thing is, to determine when something is increasing, and particularly when a function is increasing, one of the things that we do to help see that is by looking at the graph. So this problem is going to be really solely based on the calculator. So if we go to our calculator, obviously we would want to input the equation into our calculator, and then we would perhaps want to take a look at the graph. Now, as is going to be the case on this Regents, you're going to deal with some perhaps crazy equations, and you'll have to be able to adjust your windows. So to help adjust our window, we can look at the table, and in the table, remember that the interval on this problem was strictly from 0 to 6. And when we look at the y values between 0 and 6, we see values that at a highest value appears like 344. So I will go to my window screen. The x-min I'm going to label as 0 because our interval is from 0 to 6. The x-max I'm going to list as 6. And then the y-min I'll leave at -10. But the y-max I'll maybe just put in 350. Because in the table, again, so a high y value of 344. So with that adjustment, now take a look at the graph, and now we can see the full graph, which is great. That's what we need to see. And again, this is strictly between 0 and 6. And we can see clearly by the graph that the graph is increasing, starting at 0 and going up to this point over here, which appears like it's just a little bit after our value of 2. So going back to our choices here, we see that the first choice here, choice 1, is going to be our answer, because from 0 to 2 hours, and a little bit longer, but 0 to 2 hours, the best choice for when the medication in the bloodstream is strictly increasing. So I hope this video helped you out, and thank you for watching. Take care, and good luck with your study.